Thank you all for joining me today. Look what we have here. A 1970 Plymouth Superbird. Look at this monster, this piece of history. This piece of NASCAR history. In 1969, they had the Dodge Daytona, and then in 1970, they came out with the Plymouth Superbird. What a wild, nostalgic car. Wow. Let's do a walk around of this Superbird. Here's the front. You can see the engine there. It is a six-pack car. Let's walk around here the passenger side. Stainless is very clean, very shiny, very nice. Wow, look at that wing. It's nice. Let's take a look here at the wheels real quick. Something that I noticed, the center caps. In 1970, they really shouldn't be the darker argent. They should be the same lighter argent. But, you know, it's still a very clean car. We're just getting picky on some things here if we're going to look at that, right? Here's the back of the Superbird. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's look right in between the wing. What a sight. Very, very nice. Let's take a look at the engine bay on this Superbird. What a nice car. This is a very clean, well done paint job. This paint job is actually nicer than what they would have done at the factory. It's a very nice car, very nice looking vehicle. Yes, there are some things that I would say are inaccurate, but man, it's still a very clean car. Like the booster there, the master cylinder, I would say that would probably need to be satin black. As well as if you look around the body panels, if you look and see the body bolts there, they need to be the same color as the car. But, you know, it's still a clean vehicle. Plus, Superbirds are very, very rare. It's just a nice piece of history. Let's take a closer look. Here's the radiator. Notice the numbers on the radiator. There are the numbers there. Six-pack. Has exhaust manifolds. Very nice. Looks like somebody did spend some time, put some original coated type hoses on this. Then of course you notice that the belts are actually aftermarket belts, and then the hose here for the radiator hose is there. Looks like it's been replaced recently. And that's an aftermarket radiator hose. Still a very cool car. Does have the fender tag with it. It's an EK2 colored car. EK2 was vitamin C or Go Mango Orange. Very cool. That's one of my favorite colors. Definitely a high impact color. Let's take a look at the interior. This is very nice. Look how clean that is. Wow. Look at the dash. Very well restored looking dash. Very nice. Radio. And look at that. It's a pistol grip 4-speed. That's awesome. That is a rare option in a Superbird. That's awesome. Take a look at this. It's bench seats. A lot of these Superbirds came with bench seats. The interior is in very nice condition. Was restored as well. Take a look at the headliner. Very nice, very clean. Very clean Superbird. Wow. What a nice 70s Superbird. Let's listen to how the door shuts. Woo! That was solid. Gotta love it. What a nice car. Let's look at the suspension and underneath this Plymouth Superbird. Notice there are coins here on the K-frame. It does have a skid plate, which you would have seen on Hemi and 440 cars in 1970. You have your sway bar, your lower control arms. It's a very clean looking vehicle. Even the engine is clean underneath. Very nice. See the wheel well. See the disc brake setup. Very nice car. Here's more of the undercarriage of the Superbird. Notice that they did paint the undercarriage completely on this Superbird. It should have, originally it would have had overspray of paint. It would have actually been in primer here on the undercarriage with about a 30-degree overspray. So this is what we call sometimes over-restored. But with that being said, it's still a very clean Superbird. Here's the back of the Superbird. Look at that. Really nice. Very clean. The leaf springs have been detailed and painted. Dana 60 rear end. Dana 60 would have been in the vehicle because it's a 4-speed car. Very clean. Very nice Superbird. Yes, there are some details of it that have been over restored or not completely correct, but it's still a rare 6-pack Superbird. I hope you enjoyed checking out that Go Mango Plymouth Superbird. It was a pretty cool car. Yes, there were some flaws on it, but hey, it was still clean. Really enjoyed checking it out. Please subscribe to my channel. Next time, I'll see you again, and we'll go over more cars. See you next time.